Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to the Bandit series. In the previous video, we completed level 0 and found the password for Bandit 1. So it's time to move on to level 1 to level 2. And this time, things are going to get a little trickier. So what's the goal here? If you read the challenge description from the OvertheWire website, it say, you can see, wait, I'm not yet open. You can see in here. Wait, this you can open the password for the next level is stored in a file called strip located in the home directory. So yeah, uh, so the password for the next level. Okay, that sounds weird already, right? So the file name is literally just a single dash symbol. So let's log into the server first. We are going to use the SSH command first, but uh, this time. So I'm gonna make new. So wait, okay, already. So just move to this. Okay, we already in this place. So we are going to use the SSH command again, but this time we will log in as the user bandit1. So open your terminal and type this SSH and then bandit1 and then this type this and then using the same port. Okay, so it will ask the password again. So because I already copy the password before, just paste. Okay, we already. So before in my previous video, we already found the. Wait, why this my. Okay, so I'm so sorry if because of this video maybe lagging or something. Maybe I can move this video first. Yeah, it's a little bit lagging. You can see like that. Maybe because I'm using many RAM, so I'm so sorry because of that. So in my previous video is already like we found the password, and the password is you can just copy it before and then paste it in when the Bandit one is asking for the password. Okay, so once you're in, let's look around. Type ls first to list the file, and there is it, a file name strip. Looks simple, but if you try to use the cat command like before, something strange happen. Let's test it out. If you type cat strip, okay, the terminal want to show the file content. Instead, it just kind of freeze, waiting for you to type something. Why? Because in Linux, the dash symbol strip usually means standard input or standard output, depending on the command. So the cat strip doesn't read a file name strip; it actually reads your keyboard input instead. So that's why it's stuck. It's waiting for you to type something and press Ctrl D. So you can just type Ctrl D and then back to here. So how do we fix this? We need to tell Linux, hey, I'm not trying to use dash as an option. I want actually file names strip. So there are a few ways to do this. The simple one is use dot slash and then strip. So we can just this dot slash and strip. Okay, so and boom, it works. That's because dot and slash tell Linux to look for a file name strip in the current directory. So not input is an option. When you press enter, you will see a long random string. So that's your password for the next level, Bandit 2. So pretty cool, right? You just learn your first Linux trick dealing with special file name. A lot of people get confused here because symbols like strip, space, or even wild card like star symbol can mess up your comment if you don't know how to handle them. So let's talk about for this for a second. In Linux, every file can have any name, including space, symbol, and punctuation marks. But the shell interprets some of these characters as a special. So that's why when you type them directly, you might trigger some other behavior instead of opening the file. So whenever you see a weird file name, you can use a few trick at dot slash in front of the file name like we just did, or if the file name has space but is inside quotes, for example cat and then could tip some file.txt. That's tell Linux to treat the whole thing as one file name, not separate argument. So you can even use tab completion, which is super useful. Let's say the file name start with something unique. You can type the first few letters and hit tab, and Linux will automatically fill the rest. It's one of the best time saver when you are walking in the terminal. So now that we have got the password, let's double check our current working directory. Type pvd and you will see pvd first. Okay, pvd is, and you'll see we are still in home slash bandit one. That's fine, every level starts it in its own directory, and actually the file we need is somewhere right there. So let's list all file again, this time with more detail. Try ls strip la strip la. Okay, this show hidden file permission and ownership. It's good practice to always explore a bit, even if the challenge say where the password is. Sometimes, okay, sometimes hidden file might contain hints, or you might notice something interesting in the permission. You will see something like this: slash rv blah 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 blah. That line tell us a lot. The file belong to user bandit one, and the group is bandit two. This two. So this it also has read permission only for owner, which is us, so we can read it but not write or execute it. So that's why the command cat dot slash strip work perfectly fine. So before we wrap up, let's exit the session by typing exit or ctrl d. Okay, now you already log in as bandit using your password you just found. Let's take a second to recap what we learned here. In this level, we log in using SSL with new user account, discover that Linux file name can use special character, learn how to access dot file using safely using dot slash or quotes, and read the password for the next level. So you might think, okay, this one was easy too, but trust me, the next level are where things start to get fun. We will deal with hidden file, permission, and even file types that aren't what they seem. So make sure you understand the basic first before moving on. Alright, maybe that's it for this level. If you're enjoying this series and learning something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video, level 2 to level 3. We will start hunting hidden file. See you there. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.